Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, which is chapter number 13, Motion and Time. In your previous class, you have learnt about motion, that if an object keeps on changing its position with time, it is said to be moving or in motion. That means अगर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर आता है तो उसे हम क्या नाम देते हैं? मोशन. So anything which is moving will be called in motion. Okay, and in your previous class you have learnt about types of motion also. Now we are going to just have a quick recap. You have read about, first of all, linear motion or straight line motion, in which an object moves in a straight line. For example, motion of train. Second, circular motion, the motion in which object moves along a circular path. Like for example, motion of a child in merry-go-round. Or you must have played with top, जिसे आप लट्टू भी कहते हैं. So the movement of that top is in circular motion. Third, which you have read in your class, that is periodic motion. The motion which repeats itself after regular interval of time is known as periodic motion. The most common example of periodic motion is, you all know, like rotation of earth on its own axis, as well as revolving of earth around the sun. All of these are periodic motion. And a very simple one, to and fro motion of a simple pendulum. That means to and fro means वो मोशन जो एक ही जगह पर ऑब्जेक्ट रहकर सिर्फ अपनी ही जगह पर आगे पीछे मूव करता है. दैट इज पीरियोडिक मोशन. Okay, so all of these things you have read about in your previous class. Now in this chapter you are going to elaborate all these things. Now look around yourself. You must be able to see your mobile phone, your laptop, or your notebook or book, pencil. Are they moving? No. They are staying or they are present at the same position. That means all of these things are static, or all of these things will be called at rest. यानी ये सब चीज़ें अपनी ही जगह पर है. इन्हें हम क्या कहेंगे? They are static, यानी they are at rest. एक ही जगह पर है, रेस्ट पर है, ये मूव नहीं कर रहे हैं. But just look at your fan. Is it moving? Or a car, your bicycle. These objects, if they change their position, यानी वो जब एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर जाते हैं, अगर आप अपने फैन को देख रहे हैं, the blades of the fan are moving. That means position is changing with time. This is called as motion. So in simple words, how can we define motion? If position of any object changes with time will be called as motion. यानी किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन चेंज हो रही है किसी भी तरीके से, we will call it in motion. Okay, I hope you have understood about motion. Now let's just have a quick summary of the objectives of the chapter. यानी आप क्या क्या चीज़ें सीखेंगे इस चैप्टर में. At the end of the lesson you will be able to differentiate between स्लो एंड फास्ट मोशन. आप इस चैप्टर के आखिर में क्या समझ पाएंगे? स्लो एंड फास्ट मोशन. यू विल बी एबल टू डिफाइन स्पीड. हाउ डू वी मेज़र स्पीड. आप इस चैप्टर में यूनिट ऑफ स्पीड भी पढ़ेंगे, एज वेल एज मेजरमेंट ऑफ टाइम. सो ये सब चीज़ें आप इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे, एंड वी विल कंटिन्यू टुमारो. टिल देन you take care and read the chapter. Read chapter 13, Motion and Time.